The housing market has changed. Some areas have started to look like it is no longer such a strong seller's market but back to equal sellers and buyer's market. Even in a strong seller's market there isn't a guarantee that you can sell your house. Now that it is shifting, it means there will always be reasons people won't buy what you're offering. If you've been having bad luck on the market, you may want to cross the street, hold up a mirror and take a good, long look. According to numerous housing experts, the most common reasons your house isn't selling are the following. 1. The condition of your home. Your house is kind of run down. This doesn't mean you need to renovate your kitchen or fix your leaky roof. Well, you do need to fix the leaky roof, but you don't need to spend $40,000 on a new kitchen. Sometimes it's as easy as doing some fresh landscaping or a fresh coat of paint in certain areas. And you may think your house is a fixer-upper, and that you're likely to attract some handy do-it-yourselfers. But today's buyers are busy. They are looking for properties where they can unpack without doing a lot in renovations or decorating. Properties that are in need of TLC are at a disadvantage since two-income families would prefer to spend their weekend relaxing rather than redecorating. Maybe your house isn't run down, but it looks like it might be. Any signs of water damage can be a huge turnoff to potential buyers. Take a water spot on the ceiling. The offending roof might have been fixed 5 years ago, but if the evidence is still there, buyers will assume there's still a problem. Water damage makes buyers understandably jumpy and can keep a home on the market indefinitely. The same goes for the flooring that is needing to be cleaned by a professional carpet or cleaning company. There are things such as a bad odor in the home, a dog or cat smell, or mildew, or tidiness of the home, that can affect how a potential buyer is going to view your property. There's too much you in the house. It sounds cruel, but you want to sell your house to other people, who can imagine themselves living in your house. Simply put, you are not them. If you love the beach and palm trees, putting a palm tree in every single room may not be fit for everyone. We recommend moving your stuff, or at least some of it, out of the house and painting the rooms neutral colors so the buyer's imagination can start taking flight. Some bright colors or decor that may not be suitable for everyone may not be the best thing to have out. You are better off removing it and having nothing in the room instead of having something there that won't help to sell. The idea is for them to imagine their stuff in the home. When you have too much you, it's hard to see that. 2. Your home's location. Location, location, location. As you suspect, there's really not much you can do about this problem. Unfortunately, you are not able to pick the home up and move it to another area. It's just a reality that some homeowners have to deal with. One problem you may be able to fix relatively easy is if the lot has a major drawback. Maybe the yard is extremely small, or there's an awkward hill that makes it challenging to mow a lawn. In that case, great landscaping could be helpful. Good use of the property by making it look better or a better use of what you have can make a huge difference. Such as a wall to block that unsightly thing or a sound barrier to block out unwanted additional noises. 3. The marketing of your home. You aren't advertising your home properly. If you aren't a photographer or much of a writer, you may be giving your potential buyers an underwhelming idea of what it would be like to live where you live. You don't want your photos and pros to blow away homebuyers too much, if your house can't live up to what you're posting online or in brochures. A description that doesn't meet a homebuyer's expectation when visiting the property in person may also contribute to a failed site. How many websites or places can people find your home? If you only have it on one place, your odds of finding a large amount of buyers is slim to none. This goes back onto you if you are trying to do this yourself or the agent you are working with. Make sure they explain where and how they are marketing your home. The more places for your home to be seen and the better it looks on the marketing, the better chance you will be having more people come to see the home and your home to be sold. No offense, but maybe you aren't showing your house off enough? This is also part of the marketing of your home. If you aren't using a real estate agent and work away from your home, your time might be limited, of course. But you should try to make your house as accessible and available as possible for a realtor and a potential homebuyer to easily drop by and take a tour, which means having the place cleaned too. Having your home be shown only by appointment or only at designated times will severely cut down on the number of showings you get, and if the house isn't getting shown, it isn't going to get sold. 4. Your home's price is too high. Without question, the number one reason a home doesn't sell is price. Sellers have an emotional attachment to their homes and tend not to be objective about the true value. Some people don't believe the true market price of the home and instead they want to price it too high and therefore it doesn't compare with the homes in the areas. They may feel the home is worth more as they have lived there and feel the home is the best on the block. It may have the extra items that in their eyes make it worth the price, but if the neighbor's home doesn't support that price, it won't matter. You don't want to be the best home in the worst neighborhood. You'd rather be the worst home in the best neighborhood. That will get you the best price. A home that is overpriced normally will sit on the market and the homeowner will become very disappointed as they believe the home is priced right and don't understand why it is not selling. A correct analysis of the home's value and the correct price will get showings and buyers interested in placing offers. Therefore, pricing it correctly will set the expectation and allow the home to sell. Pricing it too high will keep it on the market. Doing a price reduction is sometimes needed to gain the showings and potential buyers. Of course, the idea of the home sale to make enough money for the homeowner to either use the profits on something or somewhere else. So the longer the home is on the market, the more issues can arise, such as not being able to use those funds on what the intended purpose it for.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video was informative. If you have any questions or want to learn more, or if you are interested in selling or purchasing a home, here is our contact information. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. We will see you next time.